To start our turkey drawing, we're going to go to the middle of our page and we're going to make a nice big circle for our head. Sometimes I like to practice with my finger first to see how big I should make it. We don't want a little tiny head because that will make us a tiny turkey. So we're going to go to the center, just draw a nice big circle like that. Then we're going to make the body for the turkey, which is a big round shape. So come down towards the bottom of the head and we're just going to draw a big curved line and connect it back to the head. From here, I'm going to add two little lines that come down like this for the neck. Inside the head, I'm going to draw two circles for the eyes. Then I'm going to draw a rainbow line at the bottom and color it in. And then a rainbow line on this eye and color it in. For the beak, I'm going to go between the two eyes. I'm going to draw a straight line across, and then I'm going to turn it into a triangle. Turkeys have that little red piece that hangs to the side. It's called a snood. So I'm just going to draw a squiggly line next to his beak. Now I'm going to add his wings. So I'm going to come down to the side of my turkey, and I'm going to draw a U shape that goes like this. Then another U shape and another U shape. I'm going to make the same line over here. I'm just going to make a U, 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 all the way back to the body. Down here at the bottom, I'm going to draw two straight lines down for the legs. Now we're ready to draw the feathers that go behind the turkey. So come down towards the bottom of your turkey and draw a straight line and go almost to the edge of your paper. You're going to want to do the same thing over here, so try to make them match. So I'm going to start my line about right here. I'm going to draw it straight until it almost touches the edge of the paper. Now I'm going to connect it with a big, tall rainbow line that goes from this side to the other. Remember, we want it nice and big, so here we go. Just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and start drawing in our feathers. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the top of his head, and we're going to split this right in half. I'm going to go a straight line all the way to the top of that line here. Then I'm going to split this section in half again. So find where would half be from this side to here. So maybe about right here. So it looks about an even space, the best that I can do. Now I'm going to draw two lines in each one of these sections. So here I'm going to start maybe right here and draw up and out. And then I'm going to find another spot and draw another feather out to there. So now I have three feathers in this first section here. Now I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to find this place to put two more lines. I'm going to draw a straight line out and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have 6 feathers on this side. Over here, I'm going to do that again. I'm going to split this in half. So about halfway between here and here is maybe, okay, split it in half. Now I'm going to do 2 more lines. And then 2 more lines down here. Now I'm going to make these look more like turkey feathers, and I'm going to draw a curved line that goes from one side to the other. Then below that, I'm going to draw that again. So now I have 2 lines. I'm going to draw a curved line to this section, and then underneath that, another curved line. I'm going to repeat that on every feather. So the first thing we're going to do is color the body of our turkey brown, the beak maybe orange or yellow, and that little snood can be red. When you're coloring, I need you to slow down, take your time, go back and forth, try to fill in as much white paper as you can underneath your crayon or colored pencil. If I were to color too quickly and fast, it might look like that. And now I can see all that white paper underneath. We don't want those. We want to get rid of them. So I'm going to take my time and I'm going to color in as neatly as I can. Now we're going to be using our color wheel to help us fill in the feathers on our turkey. And we're going to be putting them in the same order that they happen on the color wheel. We know the color wheel is the same order. It has a rainbow. So this color wheel shows us all of the colors in order except for indigo is not on here, and that's okay. We're just going to use these 6 main colors, and it's going to be your job to make sure you're coloring the right color on the right feather. So you're going to put them in order. So the very first color of the rainbow is, do you remember? Red. So we'll start with red, then we'll color orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, or violet. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. So we're going to go ahead and color our feathers using the color wheel, and then if you want to add a background, you can do that as well.